Hey, this is Exterminator 87. I just have a short video today. I saw this tree up here a couple weeks ago. It's out over a creek. That'd be fun to shoot in half. This video might not get a lot of views, and maybe no one will find it all that interesting. I was gonna shoot this tree in half anyway, but I thought I'd just go ahead and put it on video, because why not? I'm gonna use an AK, shooting 7.62 by 39. Maybe I should have went the 308, I don't know. It seems pretty dead. We'll see what happens. Maybe this video will be fun, maybe it won't. I think it will. I know I'm gonna have fun shooting it. This fallen tree is probably about 8 inches thick. This is about how long my hand is. Let's see if we can make it through this thing. Give her a shot. Let's see what one shot did. I think that's me. I think that's it right there. Let's finish this thing. That's 40 rounds through it so far. Let's put some more. Ta-da! Results. Still a little bit green in the middle. Look at that. I did that in 60 rounds, I believe. Got 6 left in my second fully loaded mag. I don't think it captured any bullet. a little bit for you too. I do a few different kinds of videos. Once in a while I'll just do something stupid like this for a couple minutes if you want to watch. I would have done this anyway, like I said, so why not make a little video? Hope you enjoyed it. As always, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, favorite, subscribe, keep watching, keep shooting. We'll see you next time. Exterminator 87 signing out. Exterminator 87.
Holy cow!